Hey guys, my name is Jonas and welcome back. So this is going to be a POV drive of the Maxima. We just finished doing the lower control arms and a bunch of other stuff in the previous video. And I'm going to take you guys for a little morning spring jaunt. And I'll show you one of these cool roads that are near my place. For anybody that's new, this is my 96 Nissan Maxima GLE with the 5-speed, and I've just been doing a bunch of work to it. It's a cool car. So, all right, let's get in. So I've had this car for like 2 years, I think, and when I first got it, it needed so much work. The brakes were horrible. The exhaust needed more work. Suspension blew out of it. There's just a bunch of stuff that I've been doing. And it's kind of like a summer cruiser for me. And there's another thing I have to fix. The speedometer doesn't work. And I need to do sway bar bushings in it, but that's no big deal. Well, the speedometer does work, but when it wants to, usually I have to kind of like beat it into submission. There it goes. So, hopefully you guys enjoy this. We're gonna just have you tag along for the ride. Completely bone stock VQ30DE, pushing 190 horsepower theoretically. God knows if that's what it is now, and like 200 pound-feet of torque. 4-wheel disc brakes, and the rear 5-speed. And if you have questions, and just put them down in the comments, I'll get back to them. I like when people comment. Such a nice conversation. But I plan to... I'm debating if I want to like modify the engine in this, make it go, give it the go beans, but I'm not sure if I'm going to. I could just save the money and get a proper go beans car, but we'll see. I already have a proper go beans car. We'll see what we can do. I like keeping this stock. I mean, I put so much work into it to just make it drive good, so. I do love it though. Got it aligned a couple days ago. It's beautiful. And if you can hear like that front crunching noise, it's a sway bar bushing. That's more stuff that I'm gonna have to be doing soon. It's not too bad, but it's got struts all the way around. I'll put a list in the description of what I've done to this car if people are interested. I basically just got it back to good driving condition, because when I got it, it was horrendously in need of a major overhaul. with all the work I've done to this, I have no problem driving this on a little road trip in my area. I mean, it drives real nice now. I mean, before it was it was almost not safe. Honestly, with the way the suspension was going bad in it and the brakes and everything. I wish I had the time to record all that before for you guys, but it just never happened. That's all right. I'm trying to do at least a video a week when I'm in school, and when I'm out of school, I plan to do a lot more. Trust me, a lot more. I almost want to get another car to build, but I'm crazy, and we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if I want to completely like modify this. I think I'm just gonna keep this stock because I like how it drives now. I mean, this is not like I don't need to show off in this car. I like having it clean, you know what I mean? I would love to see how many miles I can get on this thing before something majorly goes wrong. Because I know these are pretty bulletproof engines. I know the timing kind of goes bad in them sooner than later. But we'll see. We'll see. Let's see what this car can dish out in the years to come. I've only had it for like 2 years, so. And I love it. This road isn't prime driving conditions, but that's okay. I like the twisties in it. Some of the roads in my area aren't even paved, so I live in the frickin' boonies compared to some of you guys. That sun's probably really bright in your face, isn't it? Get in your freaking lane. Holy crap. This dude's going where I want it to go. Let's see. God, that bushing sucks. I can hear that a mile away. I think it's gotten worse. I'm gonna be ordering that today. I can't stand that anymore. On a nice road, you don't hear it, but that's okay. It's more YouTube content. Yeah, I guarantee you this dude's going where I want it to go. No blinker, no nothing, no indication. Yeah. I think everybody has the same ideology when it comes to complaining about other drivers. I think we all do it. Subconsciously, yeah. I know we do. Oh, is he going into the mine? Or is he just slowing down? Let's see. There's a cool mine near my place. What do we got over there? Challenger, Dodge Durango RT. Nice. This is a nice road. I think on roads like this is where the Maxima really shines. Nice swooping country roads, nothing crazy. It's not a super great handler. Stock. It performs great in a straight line, but stuff like this, it just eats it right up, no problem, no body roll. Very little steering input. I mean, it's light as air, the steering, but It handles. Doesn't handle fantastic, but it handles. Maybe once I fix that sway bar bushing, it'd be a little bit better, but that's all right. Alright guys, well, we're coming to the end of our drive. This is just a little something for me to upload this week. I hope you enjoy it. If you like the video, leave a like. That helps me out a lot. If you have video ideas for the future for this car or the GTI, or hell, maybe you have something in our area. Speaking of Maxima, I probably look like a grade A goof with this camera strapped to my forehead, but that's okay. So that's flat out. Easily hit 60 in second gear, no sweat. I don't know how much that was, 5-6 seconds. Probably like 6 seconds, but okay. Stop getting distracted. I have to do a proper outro because you guys deserve it, right? Okay. So thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. If you want more videos of the Maxima, leave a like. It helps me out a lot. I'm going to be doing more stuff to this soon, like downpipe. I got a brand new catalytic converter downpipe, stock, nothing crazy, but there is a slight exhaust rattle and leak that I have to fix, and I'm going to be doing those sway bar bushings soon. So all right, thank you all for watching. Thanks, and bye bye. Tell me in the comments what you think about the video. Tell me about stuff that I could do better. That helps me. So okay, bye.